Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the watch so data is accurate and reliable. Make sure the watch has 20% battery and is snug on your wrist. This improves heart rate readings. Open the workout app and select the exact activity, running, cycling, or swim, because the algorithm changes based on movement. Once done, set a goal. Time, calories, or leave it open if you prefer freeform. Tap Start and count down. The watch will lock in GPS and sensors so metrics capture from the first step. You'll now focus on execution. During a session, glance to check heart rate, pace, and distance because those guide intensity. Swipe between screens or customize a watch face with workout complications for music, maps, or cadence. This avoids fumbling with your phone. Use lap or split to mark intervals. Press the on-screen button or hardware buttons for quick splits. Make sure auto pause is enabled so stops don't skew averages. If you adjust pace or resistance, the watch recalculates calories. To finish, swipe right and tap end, then review the summary to see calories, average heart rate, and splits. This closes the file and syncs it. Once synced, open the fitness app on your iPhone to inspect detailed charts, trends, and GPS routes. This helps plan your next session. If metrics look wrong, make sure the watch is snug, positioned above the wrist bone, and that motion sensors aren't obstructed. If problems persist, restart the watch and repair to resolve sensor or GPS hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.